welcome back to the channel. So I uploaded 1825 designs on my Redbubble shop, and these are my Redbubble earnings. I will be sharing my Redbubble earnings, and this is how much I made by uploading these many designs on Redbubble. So this video will be divided into 10 sections, and they are: what was my niche, how many designs I uploaded, how many sales I got, how many tags I used, what type of designs I uploaded, how you can do it, how much money I made, my Redbubble earnings, and how long it took me to make these earnings, and what was my traffic sources apart from Redbubble search. So what was my niche? So on Redbubble, my niche was specifically stock market and crypto. Stock market, crypto, and everything related to bull market and bear market, everything related to that. So if we now come to Redbubble, now we can see here, if I write stock sheet, now you can see here that if I write stock market, then there are two categories in which the niche stock market sells, and they are in the t-shirts and in the posters. Okay, the main item that I sold were specifically t-shirts and stickers, and t-shirt was the number one item that I sold on Redbubble. So if we see here in stock market t-shirt, then we will find here that there are 43,000 results, but I never and ever went for this broad term which is stock market. I always went for these all things which Redbubble is recommending: Wall Street, stonks, these all things, trader, forex, Wall Street. So I always went for these kinds of term like Wall Street, stonks, trader, million, forex, Wall Street bets, holding, also this AMC. Do you know what it is? It is a stock, AMC stock, AMC Entertainment. This is also a stock, GameStop. I sold like a lot of t-shirts with this term, which was GameStop, because GameStop was trending at the time, and GME as well, also diamond hands. So these all terms, like for example, if I go to GameStop, then we will find here, come on, see, GameStop t-shirts. There are 6,000 t-shirts in GameStop. Okay, so also AMC. So I specifically sold t-shirts in the stock market niche, and my primary niche was only and only stock market. Then the second niche was crypto, of course, crypto. And like one more thing is that when we search GameStop here, then again Redbubble is recommending another set of keywords, which is Citadel, day trading, equity, fidelity, Super Smash Bros, Wall Street. So if we go also deeper into that, then we will find that it gets less saturated. And one more niche was that it was Neo. I used to sell t-shirts with the term Neo. Let's search that. Neo. See, Neo t-shirts. It has 558 results. I used to sell t-shirts in this niche. It is a stock, Neo stock. So I always I always focused on this niche, which was stock market, and I got a lot of sales. And this is also stock. I also sold some t-shirts in Sophie. So this was my niche. Okay, now the next thing is that how many designs I uploaded, which I already told you, it is 1800 something designs. So I almost sold like 2000 designs on Redbubble, and yes, I admit it takes work. Now the next thing is how many sales I got. So I got in total 203 followers, 8,091 favorites, and 380 sales. So how many products I sold were, how many sales I got were 380. So in this entire period, I will tell you how much time it took me to achieve this. I made 380 sales on Redbubble in total. Now the next thing is how many tags I used. So like always I said in my previous revenue video, in my previous Redbubble earnings video, I told you that I used almost 7 to 9 tags. Okay. But later I updated my strategy and I used to use like almost 10 tags, at least 10 tags in my all designs. I used the targeted 10 tags in my all designs, and the way I sorted the tags were I always look onto my competitors what tags they were using, and I always used similar tags to them. So the next thing is what type of designs I uploaded. So the type of designs that I uploaded were similar to, like I already said, stock market, crypto, and finance in general. So primarily I sold two kinds of niche, which were stock market and crypto. So in stock market niche, my designs were mostly text designs, which were the ticker symbols of the stocks. I always used to design the ticker symbol in text form with some emojis. Okay, so those were the type of designs that I used in my stock market niche. And in my crypto niche, I always used the NFT designs, NFT images, NFT collection images. So in crypto as well, my designs were either they were logos of some NFTs, or they were logos of some crypto coins, or they were related to NFTs. So these were basically my design strategy for my Redbubble. Now the next thing is how you can do it. So for following this exact strategy that I have done, you can simply hop into the niche, which is stock market or crypto, and you need to don't go for the broad term stock market, go for a specific stock, like a specific stock. Like for example, there are a lot of stocks. There are like Tesla stock, there is Neo stock, there is AMC stock, GameStop. So there are different stocks. Just create designs in one particular stock or the stock that is trending. And how to find that is you simply go to like Google Trends. I'm showing you how I used to find that. So you simply go to Google Trends, and here you just need to write the name of the stock. So now here in the Google Trends, I have written name of 3 specific stocks. Now pay attention very closely. I've written Tesla stock, I've written GameStop stock, and also I've written AMC stock. Okay, Now what you have to do is here you have to search the web search, and also you have to select the United States and past 12 months. Now the Tesla stock is blue, GameStop is red, and AMC is yellow. So now we can see the trends here. So Tesla stock is trending the most, then GameStop, and then AMC. So you need to like what insight you are getting here. We are getting that in the past 12 months, Tesla stock has been so much popular, then AMC has been, and then GameStop. Now, if we want to know that which stock has been more popular in the last 30 days, then we can sort it out with the 30 days. Okay. Now again, in the 30 days period as well, we are seeing that Tesla is the most popular, then AMC, then GameStop. Then what insight did we got here? We got that we need to create designs related to Tesla stock and AMC stock. So this is how you do the market research, and same thing goes with the crypto niche as well. Just go on Google Trends and search about that. You will know what is trending, and now you can also see what related queries are trending, like Elon Musk sells Tesla stock, Ape stock, when does Tesla stock split? Okay, all right. So these all things are like trending. Now you can see here there is one more stock, Ape stock, GCT stock, ARKK stock, and these all stocks are breakout terms, which means these are so popular in United States right now. So you can create design related to these all stocks on Redbubble, and surely they are going to sell because these all are trending. Now let's move on to the next step. So now how much money I made. So this is my Redbubble earnings. In total, my earnings from September 4th, 2021 to September 3rd, 2022, which is like in this entire period, I made $7,659 on Redbubble in this entire period. And the next thing is how long it took. So you can see here, it took me almost 1 year to achieve this, from September 4th, 2021 to September 3rd, 2022. This is my earnings history from between these dates. So it took me almost 12 months to make this. So on an average, how much I was making per month? So on an average, I was making, so I made $7,659 divided by 12 months. So on an average, I was making $638 per month, which is quite a decent income, quite more than a decent income, very good income as a side hustle, as a creative side hustle. And on an average, how many designs I uploaded daily on Redbubble were 5 to 6 designs daily. So every day, it was a commitment, it was a real work. I worked my face off to achieve this. I know earning $600 per month is not very high, but it is decent in my eyes, it is decent in my views, and a lot of people aspire to make this kind of money from their creativity, from their skills. And you can do as well. If I can do this, you can do this as well. It is no rocket science. It's just like there is a saying, there is a quotation that hard work gives you results if talent doesn't work hard. So it doesn't need that you need to be a lot of like talented. You just need to be dedicated, do the hard work and apply your skills into this, and be dedicated, be consistent with this, and you are definitely going to get sales and definitely going to get successful on Redbubble. So this was my Redbubble journey of my 1 year Redbubble earnings that I shared with you in today's video. Tell me what doubts you have, or what queries you have, or what problems you are facing as a seller on Redbubble. Tell me in the comments and I will answer it as soon as possible. And also I will make more tutorials on Redbubble to help you out with my experience, what I have gained working on Redbubble in this whole period of time. So it was quite a great time. I share everything with you, and I really love to talk to you guys. And I know I'm not very consistent, but still I'm trying my best to be consistent. And I love you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will see you in the next video. And I love you so much. I love you so much.